Good morning, guys. My name is Amaya, and today I will present to the analysis of DMART. The uh, first, first step is import the files. Go to the files, and there are uh, there are two files: test CSV and train CSV. First, import this file into R. Go to click on test and import dataset, and after that the dataset is here. After that, import the file. uh, Actually, I have already import this dataset. So already import the dataset. There are two dataset: train and test. The first analysis is exploratory data analysis. Then the code is train read CSV train CSV. The second, then run this program. Then if we have find which components are used in train dataset, then type strtrain and run this code. We see the output is data frame. There are 8 530 observations and 12 variables. 12 variables are item identifier, weight, fat content, item visibility, item type, item MRP, identifier, establishment year, outlet size, location, type, item outlet. These components we have used in this 10 dataset. After that, if we can see the which components used in test, then same program, then run this program. There are item identifier, fat, same outlet location, outlet type. The next step is there are two dataset we have used train and test. If there are two sets are combines, then here is the program: test item outlet slash data combine train and test data combine and dim data combine. After that, run this program. The two data is combined. There are 14200 observations and 12 columns. Then next step is a unvariate analysis. In this analysis, we have find out the number of numericals used in this dataset. The This is the program for find out the number of numericals. Then run this program. Here we have find there are in here we have found out there are five numerical five numerical in this component: item weight, item visibility, item MRP, outlet, establishment year, and item outlet cells. Then second step is visualization using the histogram. uh, Second step is visualization using the histogram. Here we have visualization using histogram of two data. First is a plot weight. Second is a plot visibility. Third is a MRP. Here, this is the program of plotting plotting the visualization using histogram. And at the last program is grid arrange. Grid arrange means uh, output in single photo. We have get output in single photo. Here are the output of this three program. Let's see the output. Yes, we can see that this output: item weight, item visibility, and item MRP. Here the count This is the output of this program. It's also known as visualization using histogram. uh, it is very easy to visualization with histogram. Then next is a categorical variables. uh, Using ggplot we can found this output. This is the program for this categorical variable. After running this program we can get this output. In this output we can clearly see that item type and their count. Here are many items like baking goods, breads, breakfast, canned, dairy, frozen food, fruit and vegetables, hard drink, etc. etc. And here the different colors, colored mentioning the different types of food, different types of food. Then next program is to find out the outlet size. Here is the program to find out the plot using outlet size. Run this program. Then plot fat content. Here is the program to find out fat content. Then run this program. After that the output is given below. The outlet size and item fat content. Here are the outlet size and fat content. Here outlet size is 4016 1553 4655 3980 and item fat content is 9185 and 5019. The outlet size is high. There are three size: high, medium, small. And in item fat content there are two types: low fat and regular fat. Then the next stage is a multiple variable analysis. In this analysis we can analyze the multiple variable. Here are the program of multiple variable analysis. Then run this program. Then second, run this program. It is mandatory to run a single code, otherwise the code is not running properly and output is not given. It takes some time. Here is the output of this program. We can easily see this output. The output is the item outlet cell. First output is the item outlet cell and item weight. Second is the item outlet cell and item visibility. And third is the item outlet cell and item MRP. Then next analysis. Then next we analyze the box plot. Using box plot we can analyze the data. Let's see how it looks like. The output is here. We can clearly say that there are outlet cells and there are outlet 10, outlet 13. These are the outlet identifier, and on the right side there are outlet type that mention four color. Each color mention each component. The first is grocery store, supermarket type 1, supermarket type 2 and supermarket type 3. After that the next step is the data pre-processing. In this data processing, we combine different item fat content categories into just two categories. These are the program of data processing. After running this program, we can easily see that the two fat and a regular are combined, and see we can see the two fat and regular are combined. The next stage is a item visibility. This is the program of item visibility. After running this program, we can get the output of item visibility. Let's see. Here is the output, item visibility and count. We can clearly see the output. Then the next is the you can clearly see the next is combining the two data sets, and here is the output of this here is the output of this program combining the two data sets. Then last is a regression. In this regression, first we have model building, then linear regression. To find out linear regression, here is the program to find out linear regression. Then first run this single line code. Wait for some seconds. Let's see here we have here we have found the linear regression. In linear regression, the main we have find that yes, residuals, minimum, medium, mean, median and maximum, these are the main output of linear regression. Thank you.